What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we've got the Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG Coupe Black Series, and this has to be a very special car because this is not only just by Tarmac, but it is a collaboration with Lamley Group. And if you guys know Lamley Group, they are one of the biggest out there for diecast collection. And to have a car with your name, that too from Tarmac, just magnificent. It's an achievement that a lot of us want, and honestly I also want one day to have my own branding, but obviously that's a very far-fetched dream. We will keep working on that, and hopefully one day we will get it. But for today we've got the Mercedes-Benz AMG SLS AMG Coupe Black Series from Tarmac and their collaboration with Lamley Group. So we're gonna first look at the box. Obviously you got a Tarmac logo right there. We've got Tarmac works right here. And then one HKD per car goes to Tarmac for good, which I assume it's a charity organization. Obviously, we've got Global 64 right there, and a bunch of warnings. And obviously, we've got the Mercedes authentic sticker right there. And we're gonna, obviously, I didn't really open the seal to this, so we are gonna remove the seal, and we're gonna dive right straight into the vehicle because I had to have this. You know, as a car collector, if you guys see Lamley's videos, you guys gotta have this car. Because this car, guys, she is not going to disappoint. And obviously the plastic protector, once again, brilliant. I think it's one of the most important things right now to protect your cars, because these are valuable pieces, I beg your pardon, and they really cost a lot of money as well. Anyways, right off the bat, this car feels wide, she feels big, she feels amazing, and I'm just super pumped to have this in my collection. So we're going to do a quick video because unfortunately there aren't much things to talk about. Right off the bat, on the right side of the vehicle, you guys can see the first thing you notice is the amazing paint job, the very glossy finish that this Mercedes-Benz Black Series has. The iconic grills with that little fin right there, the petrol cap or the fuel cap right there. This amazing rims. Just look at the rims with the Mercedes logo, and it's so well done. You can actually see the Mercedes logo right there. That attention to detail, just that little bit, makes this car that much cooler, so much cooler, guys. I absolutely love this. And then obviously we've got no details, no decals, nothing. Obviously you guys know that the doors open outwards, almost like the gull wing, or exactly like the gull wing, right? So the doors actually open outwards, and you guys can see the cutouts right there for the door opening. And the front wheels, just been amazing. Well, just like the rear. Move on to the front of the vehicle. Obviously it says AMG. Yeah, it's a huge Mercedes emblem. Another small Mercedes logo, the hood vents, and then the plastic headlight temples right here. Those are plastic, they are not painted, which I think just that fact that it's plastic and it's not painted, it adds a lot of value to the car, makes the car way more premium than it is. I think that adds a lot of value and respect to this vehicle. And yeah, I honestly love it. And this paint job that they have here, this glossy paint job, I don't know if the camera is doing any justice to it. Let me know in the comments below if it is. But oh yeah, this is a good angle. Just check that out. Check it out, guys. And obviously the left side of the vehicle, exactly the same. The wheels spin amazingly well. No doubt on that. Obviously the doors, I'm super excited. I mean, imagine having this car but with the doors that could actually go up. How cool would that be? Like if you took the Mercedes-Benz SLS or the 300 SL, sorry, from the from the Hot Wheels 64 series, for example, if you put the doors in here, those doors could open. This car would have been insane. This would have been something every collector would have wanted. Honestly, even just like this, I think this is something that a lot of people want, and I'm super lucky to be able to get this and add it to my collection. And then if you look at the rear of the vehicle, she's girthy, guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but she's actually very girthy. We've got the Mercedes logo right there, the SLS right here, AMG right here, AMG right here. We've got the quad exhaust at the rear, and this amazing massive flat wing. And then guys, the thing that makes this car different from others is the Lamley Group's logo right here. And to have that just shows the amazing collaboration. It's just a very small logo at the rear, but you know that this belongs to Lamley Group now, and I think that is really amazing to have the little detail there. I mean, imagine having our logo there one day. How cool would that be, right? And then obviously the side mirrors right here, these are rubber as well, but they're slightly sturdy rubbers, so it's actually quite a good quality. And they actually painted on the rubber bits, which means to kind of give you the illumination of the side mirror, which I think is a very nice attention to detail. we're gonna try to look at the interior a little bit. You guys, there isn't much details there, so it's all fully black. And obviously you guys can see the dashboard right there. It's a left-hand drive, so the steering wheel's right there as well. And then we've got a slightly glossy interior, as you guys can see there. And if you look at the base of the vehicle, obviously it says Tarmac Works right there. It says 1/64 Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG Coupe Black Series, made in China. And the details here are slightly more than usual. Obviously we've got a lot of lines, etc, but not really intricate or not really very attention seeking, I must say. It's very simple and plain, but I'm not going to complain. This is amazing. This car is amazingly done, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you guys agree with me, or if not, if you don't, let me know why as well. It's always interesting to see different people's opinions on the same car. But yeah, just I honestly think, before we end off, I honestly think this is really amazing car, really well done. But yeah, just like that, guys, we're gonna do a few rolling shots, and I'll see you at the end. And just like that, guys, we come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I should have an amazing time unboxing this amazing black series. It's gonna go instantly by my collection. So I'm gonna put it right here with the DTM touring car from Hot Wheels Premium Boulevard series. But yeah, just like that, guys, this video's over. I hope you guys had fun, because I had a lot of fun. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Bye.